So remember how people mine Pi and sell, mined Ruby and sell even before it's been launched. Okay, same with Sidra. Right now we are having similar thing with the latest mining platform called Ecox. Okay, they are having their token ECX and it's already being traded even without being listed. So make sure you start right now to mine this project. It looks like a very potential token, so you shouldn't just miss out on it. All you just have to do is to sign up, do your KYC, mine, and you claim your token. Yeah, you can also perform other tasks out there, but make sure you do your KYC. It is very, very important. Here on this video, I'll guide you through the process, how to complete your KYC and everything you just have to know concerning this Ecox project. So let's dive straight into this tutorial ASAP. So to sign up is very easy. Come here, give your full name, give your email, give a password. Make sure you meet this criteria. Re-enter your password. Okay, come here, verify yourself, submit captcha, and then you click on register. You'll be asked to give a username. Come here, choose a username, and you click on register. When giving your username, do not add @. Just give the name you want to do. Don't add any @ and your name must be on small letter throughout. So after doing that, you'll be having your account logged in, and this top will be popping up on your screen. Now, meaning that you can sell your ECX token at 0.08 USDT for one as at now. Okay, it is tradable. The team behind this project will buy back your token. So all you just have to do now is to come here on daily basis, click on that claim green, come here to claim every day. As you can see, it's very simple. Now you can perform other things that will help you increase your mining speed as time goes on. To do your KYC, which is very important, come here, click on this KYC button to do your KYC. Okay, you can decide to use the app version or the web version to do your KYC. Just make sure you keep on trying, because your KYC might not work at a go. Okay, you might be having some serious error messages, so just keep on trying every day. Sometimes you try with VPN, sometimes you try without VPN, just to make sure it works. It's that simple. To perform tasks, come to this quest section. Okay, so all you just have to do is to come here. These are daily tasks, these are one-time tasks. So right now there is no tax here. All you just have is the daily task. Come here on daily basis, claim your reward. Okay, I'm getting an error message since it's a new account. Then create a post. When you post, make any posts, you'll be getting plus 10% green, plus 5%, and so on and so forth. It's just like social media. This project is just about environment, how to keep your environment clean and all of that. Okay, how to live healthy. So perform these tasks and you get additional green. Now green is the points that will later be converted to Ecox token, to ECX token. To get your referral link, come here, click on that referral button. You can come here to get your referral link. To also check your level, click on this level. Okay, the more your level increases, the more your badge increases, the more points you also be claiming here. All right, so this is just a new account. For you to convert your green to ECX, come to this wallet section. Okay, I think you do this once a month. Come to this place. So right now I have up to 13,000 green. I'll just max, then click on convert. Now they say confirm execution, convert to receive 2 token. 1 green is equivalent to this also. Okay, so all right, that's now being converted. So should in case you want to post, okay, just click on this icon, which is the community icon. Also click on this plus sign. Just as you tweet or you make posts on social media, that is the same way you do your stuff. Come here, upload, click here to upload a photo, then give a description, give location, do whatever you want, then you create a post. For those posts you actually get something to earn from it. Okay, so if you come to this following section, you get to see the people you're following. As you can see, it's that simple. Don't miss out on this project for any reason. Start now to accumulate. I think launching or listing should be around 2026 or quarter 4 of this year, something like that. Yeah, I think 2025 quarter 4, December, November, and September, like very soon. So make sure you just start, just kick start, and thank me later. See you on the next video.